Righto, off fishing again today. Gonna go and do some more sight fishing stuff. It's a Monday, so that's the best day to go fishing for a Barramundi. Yeah, I went into work this morning and then found out I don't have to start work until tomorrow, so what better thing to do, mate? And see if we can't find a good Barramundi. Here we go, heading out.
Oh, little one going for us.
Oh, tiniest jig I did. Boom. Stinging frack.
Didn't even turn.
No, another one here. Heaps of barra swimming in front. Good cast. Oh,
No.
scared them all. That's what I was saying the other day. When there's a heap of fish together, if one gets spooked, they all fucking swim away. So that might have been it. One chance, eh? Oh, right there. Look, 3 or 4 of them. They're all a bit small there. Another one here. Scared him. He hit the side of the boat, the bloke. Let's see if Poe gets this one. Oh, he would have hit it if that was perfect cast too. Another one there coming. Look how many here. Fucking hell. That one in the middle is pretty big. Let's see if he wants it. Oh, did he go for it? He scared him.
Scared him off.
There was so many barra just there that I cast that. That's how easy you scare him, see? Oh, he's not scared. Where'd he go?
No,
That's good. First one didn't want it.
No, second one.
Unfortunately, he was a good fish too.
One only go there. Is that one only for snake?
Oh, that is a big.
One?
That's, fuck me, that's a hard cast. That was a proper big fish too. Oh, I scared him all. Oh, he's got a tag, that one, I think. I think that back one had a tag. They were all big. Scared the whole fucking lot of them. Big mob there, look. See them all sitting there? With that little bit of weed on the top. Yep, right there, there's biggest mob there. Yeah, he's coming, little one. Whee. Oh, here, look, good one. Oh, no. One hooking him. Oh! Bye-bye, fishy. Try doubles. Oh, I scared him. Oh, shit, sorry. Oh, he was going for it too. We could have had doubles, all right. I'm going. Just make it easier. Don't have to fuck around. That thing is hot. Bye bye that net. Yeah, I burnt my hand on it.
You end up buying that fucking big deep net you're talking?
I was just talking about big toga and I must have scared him. It was a giant one. This little spot here is normally good, but this crocodile's just swum all the way. You can see his bubbles going the whole way up the edge. You can see his tail up. In between the 2 bits of weed, he's right in the middle of it. Hold it right. Yeah, he's coming. Oh no, he turned. He didn't turn away, that on there. A couple more over here. That was way too close, and he still wanted it. That landed on his head, and he still tried to grab it. Green tag?
Yeah, green tag.
Green tag. Just the fisheries research tag. Look how big these are. Quick. Look at that. That's big, though. That second one is good. No, they both took off. They were both 80 centimetre fish, I reckon. Fucking hell, there's barra everywhere here. Bo just found a green tag one. And he was kind of looking at the lure, but he didn't eat it, unfortunately.
Yep, that's a.
Oh, that's a not hungry barra. That was a giant.
Belly full.
Seeing a lot of big fish. We just got to keep trying and hopefully hook one of them, or even one of these tag ones that Bo found before.
Oh, I'd be coming.
Oh, damn it.
That was it.
He wasn't the smallest one, but there was a couple of bigger ones there, that's for sure. Yeah, I'll take another side. Acting like the biggest barra. Oh, still good fun. Especially when you can see him eat it. Slow down. Jig it. Oh, don't fall over now. I think it was the bigger one out of the lot.
It was the first one.
I'll get the net in a second. You're going to jump. I'm going to go shark there.
First one.
Yeah, he's probably the better one out of the school. Hey, big belly flop and this net burning my hand.
I'll break this rod net.
Yeah, true God, let big mob line out. Oh, that net is hot, Bubba.
Yeah, I got it.
Maybe high 60s, a bit skinny, but he's long.
Good shot already.
Yeah, come on. Another green tag fish here. No. Po's on. Didn't film it, but he's on. Fish. I threw out to try and get a double, but nothing. You're right, use the net.
Yeah.
Don't break your second rod
No,
net.
no.
Oh, yeah. Got him. That's the fisherman right there, I tell you. 3 or 4 little Barramundi here, we'll see. Oh, I scared the whole lot of them, filming for fuck all. How about you look? He's still chasing.
Let's do this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, to the right of my lure though, you see him all there? That's all barra, the whole lot. And I scared every single one of them, look like. That's a bit crazy here under the tree. Oh, he was chasing it, little one.
Oh, at the back of it, the back there. He's right now.
Yeah, that's huge.
Yep.
There's a couple of big ones there. Oh no, that was a good one.
That was in here.
That was a good fish. That was like 3 or 4 in the 80s maybe, high 70s, 80s.
He was going for your one.
And he hit me. They'll come back up here hopefully. Oh, you're going straight to one, good one. Oh, scared him. Here's a good size one here. Oh, I scared them all. Little one chasing it. Little one chasing it. I don't want him. Nah, little green tag one, didn't want it again. How many is that? 2 or 3 now? Yeah. And we've only been out here an hour and a half or something.
Three green tags.
That's what I said, I've seen 5 or 6. We'll probably see more today. Try to see if we can get a good one to keep now. What, you're going to keep one?
Yeah, keep one away. Well, I was thinking on the way, like, kind of last in, you know?
Yeah, and then we won't get it.
Normally the case.
My lure there. No, another tag one.
Yeah.
Only green tag, but still be good for getting research information. See how much the fish has grown and where they actually released him and all the rest of it. Oh, look at that one there. That's a good one.
Big shoulder on you.
Yeah, no, he's swimming away. I'm going to this little mutant one, white one. He's swimming in here, that one. In front of that white one. He's in there somewhere, that other big one. Hey, he busted in the head. One just here, going down. There, look, big one there. See his big tail? Big bastard. Oh, and here, another one a little bit closer. Oh, that was a lot of fish. Right there next to you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's a big mob there, all going through the grass. Fuck, he's a good sized fish too. Yeah, look how many there. Can you see all their tails?
What are them doing?
All their tails sitting up here, look. No, not that one. Come on, bigger one. Yes. No, go away. There's a bigger one behind it.
Oh,
He's going down. You look.
Chicken.
As soon as I move, you see me. Oh, here, look, just chuck it there. There's a big mob in there.
Oh, fuck that one.
Oh, tag again. I can see a green tag one over there.
Shit.
No, the one next to it had the tag. Crocodile. Clear water too, you can see it swimming the whole way underneath. It's pretty cool.
Oh, good fun.
Net'll be nice and hot. Actually swallowed it, this little bird. Big mob was there. Just on this stick here. Poe's finally got a bit bigger one to hit the lure. Bigger one out of the school at least.
Come on.
Yes, you finally got a bigger one. Very nice. Smashed it too, it was cool to see it. Shooting straight across the... Oh shit, I hope I didn't get you then.
Come on.
Yeah, not a bad one, he'd be high 60s. Very good, very good. Not bad fishy. There's another one in there.
Where do we fish it out?
It'll be further in the tree, I reckon.
Probably splashes.
That's the one. That's the one. Oh, he was a good size too. Go on, chuck it in there. Make that little space for you. Oh, that looks so beautiful. As if nothing didn't smash that. You go. Beautiful toga. You going back, mate. Oi. Papa going back. Oi. Poe just caught this huge toga. Just going to quickly measure it, get a bit of an idea. One of the bigger ones we've seen for a while. 75. 75 centimetre toga. I have to swap side, eh? Got sun on it?
Yeah. Fat pissing,
yeah.
man.
Lovely. Jubbly big Saratoga.
Still pissing?
You right, chuck him in if you're ready, mate. Too much.
He's pretty decent. The block.
Right, he'll cut through it. Be the biggest one of the day, probably.
Got the other one. So.
Or maybe that other one you got was, yeah, if you don't mind. Don't snap it or lose this bloody lure. Yeah, it's better. We'll try that again. That was not a bad barra, that one. There was a heap of fish there, eh? They're all schooling up. Might have spooked them after catching that one. That's very cool. Good size one.
Oh, right, mate.
Baba, him dragging you.
Tip one rod this way, Lord. Another one there.
See, and these are all the ones that are eating when you're not sight casting them, you just blind cast.
Line cast in the bottom.
One hook.
Oh,
Oh, that's fucking him and chuck it back, that bloke. God damn. Yeah, chuck it in.
pretty. The big one's fucking away.
Yeah, blind cast off that stick.
Coming up now.
Good fish. Very good fish. Like another one there.
Yeah.
You just blind cast along the edge of that stick, eh?
Well, he was the bigger one that came out.
Yeah. There you go. Bo got a nice one. He's probably high 70s, maybe close to 80. Going back, eh?
Yeah, going back.
Yeah, Jack.
On the camera.
Oh!
The second one.
That snapped me off. There you go. Nice 80, 84, 83 and a half. Yeah, Mark, we'll get him back. One hook again, right in the back.
Right. Titanic.
Too right.
Yeah, let it boy.
You're right, I'll get it. If it had a tag, I'd be screaming at you. Too bad. Nice
Yeah.
little barrel. Oh, you want it?
Female one, this one.
Oh, he's going down. Hey, fish can jump.